So today we'll be looking at how to activate your subscription for Adaptive HRIS. To recap, to subscribe, go to adaptivehris.com, click on the big Get HRIS button, which will take you to the pricing list. Choose the package you are interested in, click Get HRIS or sign up, and then complete the form that is presented. You will get an email. Click on the activation email, which will confirm your subscription, after which your system will be set up and the credentials communicated to you. Here is the email sent for me to just click confirm account, and my subscription will be activated. Doing that will complete my subscription, and I will receive in another email my credentials. Now, using the credentials from the email, you can then go to the portal mentioned and start using the system. For training manuals and any other help for you to sign up, here are our contact details. Thank you.